Hello and welcome to our BisZinc tutorial video. In this video we will show you how to use our Ayuda marketplace. Ayuda marketplace is still in preview. Functions may change in newer release. Ayuda marketplace allow you to outsource some of your company processes to external parties, or as a slasher, you can find works in our Ayuda marketplace. In this video, we will focus how to outsource your company process in BisZinc. First, you'll need a knowledge and a project created. You can refer to other tutorial on how to create knowledge and project. Then you click the knowledge in your project. You will find an icon like this. Click the icon. First select display type show all or title only. I'll explain it in next slide. Then input the price for each hour, the optional location. Finally, set the expiry date of the listing. The listing will be removed after the expiry date. Now, click Register New Ayuda. Then it is done. A few points that you need to aware. Expired Ayuda will be removed from listing. And for display type, show all will list the knowledge description in the listing, and show title will just show the knowledge title in the listing. Congratulations! You've successfully added your knowledge to our Ayuda marketplace. Next time, we'll show you how to navigate the Ayuda marketplace and how to apply Ayuda. This concludes our sharing. We hope you learned something new about BisZinc from this video. Please feel free to contact us if you have any question or suggestion. See you in our next video.